Guys, welcome back to a new video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jaisha, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got this bomb hair right here by using Flexi Rods. So I had gotten a silk press. It's been over a week, so you know, my hair just started looking kind of boring and bland or whatever. I mean, I don't think the person that did my silk press did the best job to begin with, but that's another story. I just thought it was time to switch it up. So if you want to see how I got my hair like this without adding any heat or any hair products, keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is what my silk press is looking like a week and a half later. I could stretch it a little bit longer, but I don't want to add heat to my hair again, so we're going to do a Flexi Rod set. I'm starting off by adding a little bit of argan oil to my ends. I thought about adding a mousse for some hold, but I really didn't want my hair to revert, so I just put a little bit of oil to light oil for some moisture. So I'm separating my hair in the back. I'm not doing big sections. I'm going to split this section right here into two. These are the Flexi Rods that I am using. I don't know the exact length or width, but just use whichever ones work best for the length of your hair and the type of curl you're trying to get. So I start at the ends by rolling the hair around the rod, and you want to make sure that the hair is flat against the rod. Sometimes that takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it, you just roll the rod all the way up towards your scalp. I'm leaving a little bit of room between the rod and my scalp because these things can get pretty tight and uncomfortable. If you know, you know. But if you're doing this on wet hair, I would say to roll it as close to your scalp as you can get it because you want your roots to match the rest of the curl and not come out looking all puffy. Okay, so story time. Let me give you all a little backstory of me and Flexi Rods because we have had a journey, okay? This is my first time doing a rod set on a silk press. Back in the day when I was transitioning, my hair was severely heat damaged and could not hold a curl for nothing. Wash and goes were out of the question. Twist outs and braid outs would be so flat. So Flexi Rods were my go-to. I was always rocking either a Flexi Rod set or a bun, and my rod sets would come out so bomb. I would always get compliments. I would always get asked how I got my hair like that. I would always hear Flexi Rods never work for me, and people always wanted to know what I did. But you know, I would tell them, but I didn't see the big deal because I'm like, they work for me. So fast forward to when I big chopped. I started brand new with my healthy hair, and I was doing wash and goes every day. So when I got some length, I tried to go back to doing a rod set, and would you believe that it just did not work? Nope. Rod set came out looking crazy. So I tried a few more times after that, and it just never worked. I was so confused why it worked really well when my hair was damaged, but it refused to look good when I had my natural curls. So I gave up on Flexi Rods, but today I am back at it only because my hair is already straight, and I'm just using them to get a little bit more bounce and body to my hair. So y'all pray for me, and we are going to come back with the final results. Okay, so I am back after sitting under a hooded dryer for 30 minutes. And then I let the Flexi Rods set overnight. If you know you're going to sleep with Flexi Rods in your hair, do not make them tight because it will be like the most uncomfortable sleep ever. It just will be very annoying. Don't do it to yourself. So that's why I didn't roll mine all the way to the top of my head because you want to leave a little bit of room for comfort. I ended up with a total of 10. There's 10 Flexi Rods in my whole head, and it only took me 13 minutes to put them in. So we're gonna take them out, and hopefully, if it looks good, we're just gonna pray for the best, okay? final look. I'm pretty happy with how this came out. This is kind of the look that I was going for. I just wanted a little bit of volume and bounce and body instead of my hair just being all boring and flat. And I think this was a great way to revamp my slow press so that I can make it last a little bit longer. If you are struggling with getting your Flexi Rod sets to come out good and you've only been trying it on wet hair, I definitely suggest to try on straight hair or stretched hair. It doesn't have to be completely straight and flat ironed, but it should have a little bit of stretch. I think it worked this time because my hair was already dry. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your experience is with Flexi Rods, if you like them, if you hate them. Are they yes or no, somewhere in between? Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so that you can see all my new hair videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!